welcome back to taas ng energy. Welcome back to Design Masterclass Advanced. All right. If you have appreciated and if you have liked the first masterclass, I'm so honored and I am so happy and I hope that you will be taking action. Okay, remember I gave you a homework, right? On this video tutorial, we are going to do two things. Number one, we are going to create a Fiverr account, and number two, I am going to show you some of the advanced tools in Canva so that you will have no more excuse na I can't do this, coach. Okay, literally I'm gonna show you step by step of everything, and it's up to you to take action and apply for some gigs. Okay, so let's get to it. Number one, let's go to Fiverr once again. I hope that the tutorial a while ago is very fresh pa and you can definitely take action, right? I told you to play around Canva and check this one, and now you can create your own account. Now we will be creating your gig, your first gig. How do you do that? So I am in so dalawa kasi yun, 'di ba? You can be a freelancer and you can also be a client. I am in a client phase right now where I can see a lot of freelancers like that. Now, if you are going to switch, go to the right side of the screen and then you can become a seller. So it doesn't, I don't know where you're starting. You can actually start like by doing joinfiverr.com. And this is where you can see when you say you are becoming a seller, this means you are the freelancer. The seller here is the freelancer. Look at that one. So you can be one of these people, right? So you become a seller. Yeah, so just go ahead and play around this, and I hope one day my students will be featured here. You can click on the Q&A. What can I sell? What do I get paid? Where do I get paid? And blah 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 blah. Okay, and then you can click on get started. Now, since I already have an account on Fiverr, so parang click mo lang yan, and then you click on continue, and then click that, continue again, continue. Then you will be filling out your personal information here, your description. Now, paano gumawa ng mga description na to? You can find inspiration once again sa mga nauna ng mga freelancers. So you can definitely find someone like let's say I help clients do ebook cover, blah blah blah. I just put it out there like this because I'm not applying naman in Fiverr. Um, but definitely you can do something like that, okay? And then your language, if you are an English speaking person or French or whatever, you can click on that and then click on continue. And then you can choose what's your occupation. So just fill it out, and then continue. And then you can please link your account, your either Google, Facebook, or your Twitter. I linked my email address in Google here, so just click on continue. My completion rate is 70%. Ayan. And then click enter your email address, enter your phone number, and then click on finish. You have to be 70% and above in order for you to be able to start your seller account or your freelancer account. Ayan. So look at that one. You can create, there are courses. You can definitely learn more on Fiverr, yung mga tutorial nila. And then click on done. Now, we are now on the page where you are ready to start your own gig. You can watch this video on the side, start defining your gig, how it works. Okay? Ayan, this is, ano lang to, wala pang 1 minute na video. So please go ahead and watch that too. Now we will be creating your very first gig on Fiverr. So itong I will na to, hindi siya natatanggal. Parang by default, there is the two words I will. I will what? Okay, so based on our example a while ago, we will be creating an ebook cover. So I will create a beautiful ebook cover. So remember that the maximum is 80 characters. I will create a beautiful ebook cover for you. O kaya like this, I will design, ay, yan. And then, bibigyan ka ng feedback ni Fiverr that if what you did is actually okay na or not. And then you can go ahead and select your category. Notice that when I remove this, um, oh, nawala. Yan. Meron na kasi akong ebook kanina. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, kanina, wala pa itong mga suggested categories na to. Probably because I wrote something, the keyword ebook, kaya lumabas na yan. And then, so it says create. Napansin mo yung mga kanina dito, that's how they present themselves, right? I will create, I will design, ayan, kinopy ko yung ano niya. Pero try to revise it ha. I'm just doing this kasi first for in order for us to save time. Pero something very similar because you're going to do the same naman. Ayan. So like I said, model another person but don't copy exactly what they're doing. So probably let's just tweak it a little bit. I will design an eye-catching ebook or Kindle cover. Mm, I will create. Yan. Para hindi naman design, I will create mm, an outstanding or yeah, you can make a beautiful. So hanap ka ng iba. What you can do is mix and match. Hanap ka ng ibang mga description. Siguro, hanap ka ng mga 3 to 5 description ng mga freelancers and then you make it your own. Ganun lang naman mag-model. You don't copy exactly word per word, but you get this, you get this, you get this, and then you combine. That's yours. Ganun. Okay? So, I will create a beautiful eye-catching ebook. Beautiful Kindle cover. And then you select your category. Meron siyang mga suggestion. So, dito tayo sa ebook marketing. No, we're not marketing. Dito tayo sa graphics and design, book design. Yeah? To. Wala bang ebook? So, yun na yung pinakamalapit. That's the closest one. Brochure, website. Okay. So, book design. And then, select a service type. And then, just fill it out, right? Gig metadata. Um, illustrative, maybe. What's your genre? Ano yung mga common na um, sa palagay mo, you're comfortable in writing or designing that ebook? The reason why this has this one, para you will be appearing on the search results when when people search for you or when people search for freelancers, you will appear. Kasi halimbawa, for example, ang kinlik mo dito ay marketing, pero you will be doing children's books pala. Ganyan. So there are so many genres here where you can take a look at na hindi natin na-touch base kanina kasi nga napakarami nito. So what I would like you to do is really play around this. Let's say, for example, you will be doing romance and self-help. Ganyan. Remember, you have 5 choices that you can do. Yung search tags, guys, you can copy this from other people. Ang search tags na tinatawag ay file format. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ito yung mga tags niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, cover, books, Kindle, design, and ebook. So, you can copy this kasi pare-pareho lang naman yan. They are all related to each other. So, you can create cover, ebook, ebook, mm, design. Ayan, book design, design, ebook design. Yan. Perfect. Okay. Sorry. May sakit si Coach. I'm so sorry. Ayan. And then, these are the packages. So, please take a moment and decide ano yung part ng basic package mo, ano yung part ng standard, ng premium. So, let's just say basic, standard, and premium. Okay. What are you offering for the basic? What is the difference of your offer for basic, for standard, and for premium? Um, let's copy this, for example. Ang standard niya is high resolution 2D. Okay, okay. But like I said I'm copying this directly just to save time. Pero please, when you are doing this on your own, you have to make sure that you do not copy word per word. You model. Ayan. So, kaya mo ba tong gawin? Can you create, o kaya damihan mo, let's say for example, high-res 2D cover, source file. Source file, I guess yung original file, 3D model, um, yung print ready, no? Because you're not creating a print ready one. Ready is like you're gonna give it to them, like the physical paper. But since you're in the Philippines, it's hard to ship out like that. So, source file lang yung ibibigay natin. Unlimited revisions, for example. Spell revision. Ayan, up to, let's say for example, up to 4 licensed stock images included. 3, ay, yun na lang. Okay, maximum 100 characters. Okay, okay. Ayan. And then you choose your delivery time. How soon can you deliver? What's your ETA on this one? Maybe you can deliver into, kapag basic siguro 1 day lang. Pag premium or standard, you can get 2 days. Ganyan. Number of design concepts. How many concept yung ibibigay mo? Like, how many examples are you going to give? For example, ayan, eto. If I hover here, what does back and spine designs mean? Nandito sa kanan mo, you'll design the back cover and spine, yung side, yung gilid. If you don't know how to do it, don't click on this one. If like front cover lang, usually front lang naman yung kailangan. So do not click on this. But if you can do it, like even the back cover of it, then just go ahead and do it. My suggestion is that if you can do this in the premium package. So what is a jack cover? Your design will include a jack cover for print only. So you're not printing anything, so don't click that. What is a source file? You will provide the original editable design pala. So you are not providing the source file as well. Usually ito yung mga Photoshop. Sa Photoshop kasi or yung mga PSD file, when you provide them the raw file, they can edit it themselves. Pero kasi pag dinownload mo sa Canva, like JPEG and PNG, you have no way of downloading it. It's as it is na. So you don't have a source file pala. Social media kit. Okay, so if you would like to promote as well the book for Facebook, Instagram here, remember that we created something, let's choose, saan na yung kanina natin? Itong cover na to. Remember this one? You can resize this. Resize. And aside from doing it as an ebook cover, as a bonus for your client, you can create a Facebook post. So you can also say, hey client, aside from giving you the ebook cover, I am going to also provide you a Facebook post. or a poster or an Instagram post where you can post this on your Instagram account. So for the client, like that's wow, that's an over delivering. So you can choose that as well. A social media kit if you will avail of my basic and premium package. If you only avail for the, I'm sorry, standard and premium, if you avail for the basic, wala. So let them upgrade. That's the irresistible offer right there. Okay, so if you can create an animated cover, how many revisions do you like? Let's say pagka basic, walang revision. Kapag ka standard, you can have this. And then unlimited kapag ka premium yung binili mo. That is encouraging them to buy and upgrade the service that they are going to do for to charge or to get from you. But if you are a beginner, sure, if you wanted to get unlimited for everything just to get started, to get the ball rolling and to get more clients for yourself, that you can do that. How much are you pricing? Let's say for example, 15. Ganyan. Okay? Additional services, extra fast delivery. I'll deliver on, let's say for example, sabi mo kanina dito, 1 day delivery, right? O kaya let's say 2 days, 2 day delivery. Pero if you avail, I'll deliver on 1 day for an extra $5. So pay me more para mas mabilis mong makuha. You get the idea? Yan. Alright, and then save and continue. You can also put FAQ or frequently asked questions. Ano naman to? So let's go to her account again, our favorite example for today. So yan, merong mga frequently asked questions. What you can do is just, like I said, model once again. So what info do you need to make a design for me? So yan, you can do this. Basta, once again, you recreate this sentence and then you can put it on your, whatever that will make sense to you and what you think you would like to answer for your clients. So, ganyan. I will need your book title. Yan. And then, your description. Ito yung description niya. Diba? Very simple lang. I think you can do better than this, right? She's got a lot of clients. Oh, no, 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 no. Actually, no, no, no. Meron siyang isa pang description where she was so proud of eto, about this gig. Yan. So, I have helped over 21,000 people here on Fiverr. See, sabi niya 21,000 people. And way over pa kasi yung review niya is 39. 'Di ba? Maybe hindi niya na na-update to. Yan. So, ito yung kanyang about this gig. Now, I made a sample para lang to save our time together. So, yan. Are you looking for ganyan. Please do bullet forms as well. Make sure that your grammar is okay, ha? Tapos, yan. What do I offer? You can put this as a bullet form. Number or bullet para mas um, readable. So you can make this as bold. This is my example. Are you looking to publish your own ebook in Amazon? Want to be a Kindle author? Let me help you stand out by creating an ebook cover for you. What do I need from you? Okay, ito gawin din natin siyang bullet form. Yan. Contact me before placing an order. I usually see this sa mga freelancers. So, bago ka mag-place ng order, ask me muna if you have any questions, ganyan. So, make sure that you put some time in providing information in this describing your gig because clients will read this. Okay? Ano yung difference mo? What makes you stand out from the rest? What are the things that you can offer that the others cannot? What irresistible offer are you providing? What other extra services are you getting? Yun, yung mga ganon, okay? And then, You can also put unlimited revision, money back guarantee. If you can stand by this money back guarantee, I can deliver in 3 days or less, or in 24 hours. Clients really like that. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Milestones, wala pa tayong milestone. Ayan. Tapos, you can add another. Oh, see? When I clicked on add, lumabas na siya. Ayan, ganyan. Another one. Let's So, hanap ka rito. Pag samasamahin mo yung mga frequently asked questions ng mga ibang freelancer, let's say, for example, what kind of editing is included? Add. Yun lang. Parang lagay ka lang ng tanong-sagot, tanong-sagot. Ayan. Add. Hanap tayo ng iba. Ayan, oh. Use only stock, unlimited revision, creative, and 100% unique design. Oh, I like this one. Future customer future customer support after work is completed. Like, you can still contact this freelancer even if the project is done. Kasi there are freelancers na pagkatapos nung project ninyo, hindi mo na makakausap. Like, okay, we're done here. I'm not gonna talk to you anymore. Like, this is beyond my service. But this person, one thing that I like about this is that you can still talk to this person even after the work is completed kasi baka may nalimutan ka or baka may kailangan ka pa sa kanya, 'di ba? So that is a nice stuff. I like that one. Let's put that mamaya balikan natin yung gig natin, no. Ayan, ito. So, why choose me among others? Mm. Your irresistible offer. I use only stock. I only use. Ay, ano ba yan? Sorry. Unlimited revisions, creative, blah, 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 blah. Okay, I like it. Ayan. So, fill out mo lang and then save and continue. Okay. So, you can, optional din naman to, no? Get all the information you need from the buyers to get started. Ask a question. Um, parang wala masyado ako nakita na nag-ask sila ng question. FAQ. Parang wala. But if you can find a question, like say for example, do you have any like a free form if you have any questions for your clients? Do you have any specific color preference, for example, for your brand that I am required to use? Yeah. So, pwedeng they can attach something, they can use free text, and another question, do you have sample designs where you want me to pattern my design for you? Them kasi sabi mo design. Please attach them here. Yan. Okay. And then click on add. And then save and continue. Changes saved. And voila. How to get. So you can go ahead and Read this when you get the time. Ayan, ito yung mga recommended image size nila. Privacy, of course, ito yung mga parang do's and don'ts. Ganyan. Name your image file, make your gig stand out. If you have one more than gig each, okay, very good. Be trustworthy. Okay, so just please go ahead and read that along using a picture of yourself. Keep it real and show your buyers who you are. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, here is where you can showcase your services. Remember this, your portfolio. Natatandaan mo ba na kanina gumawa tayo ng mga design where we put this ebook cover. So what you are going to do now, since you created this one, you can go ahead and download this. Download as a JPEG or PNG. Ay, magiging zip file 'to, hopefully not kasi 2 pages. Kapag dalawa yung pages nagiging zip, ayan na nga, naging zip file siya. So, delete mo lang 'to para okay lang naman yung zip kasi look, what's gonna happen with the zip is that pakita natin ano yung zip. Ayan, so na magiging dalawa siya like that. Pero syempre, ako usually I do it like manual. Ayan. So, sana. Na-delete ko rin ata. PNG. And then, balik tayo sa Fiverr, drop. Ayan. So, you can add tags to this sample. Halimbawa, romance, self niyan. Select up to one option. Okay, isa lang. Okay. Oo nga naman, up to one lang. Hindi nagbabasa. Custom tag. Ebook. Up to 3 images to ha. So, kapag may mga ganitong image guys, na nag-showcase ng portfolio mo, hanggat maaari, maximize it. Make sure that you put time. Now, ito yung kanyang best image. Recommended niya is 1280 by 769. You know how to do customization naman na sa Canva? Don't worry if you cannot. So, you go to create design and then you click on custom design. Anong sabi niya? Ayan, makakalimutin talaga ako guys. Ayan, 1280, 769. So that is 1280 by 769. So you go ahead and click on create your design and then you will see this one. Ayan. So ganyan yung lalabas na custom design niya. Tapos you enter this one again. So you can put as many ebook covers as you design. So you get the idea, right? Ganyan. Tapos you put it here, blah blah blah, ganyan. If you have a video, document, and then you just click on I declare. And that's it, you're almost there. Now, since you are not in the US, you go ahead and click on outside US. Are you a US person? No. Okay. And then save. Good job. Well done. Now, what I want you to do is to create minimum of 5 gigs. Okay, so put yourself out there now. You're ready. You are now ready to promote your service. Publish mo lang yung gig. I'm not gonna do that now kasi I'm not obviously hindi ready yung gig na ginawa natin. I just did it for example, but whenever you're ready, whenever you think you can na click on publish gig and you are good to go. And then let me know if you have found your first client on Fiverr. Now, if you want someone to have like an extra eye, like coach, can you take a look at this and take a look at this ebook? Sure, let's go ahead and do that together. Let's go in a Zoom meeting our community, and then we can check what can you think of this, and then find an accountability partner where you can have someone take a look at it. And can you check on my work? What do you think about this? Is there anything else that you would like to add? Do you want me to remove something? Hindi ba masyadong kita yung text? Ganyan. Because as a beginner, as you go through this, you will definitely need a lot of help. You would probably need another extra pair of eyes to look into your work. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll be happy to do that for you. Now, I'm not an expert on this. I just know the basics and I just know the know-how. But definitely, I've seen a lot of ebook covers as well. I've seen a lot of designs. I've seen a lot of things. So you are not limited to ebook lang ha. You can do brochures, you can do presentations and all that. Anything that you can see in Fiverr, play around and do it. I just showed you one example of ebook, but there are so many other gig in Fiverr that are so remarkably, how do you call this, lucrative as well. Ang dami-daming mga pwedeng options dito. Sky is the limit. Okay, so please go ahead and consider that. Now, on the next video, we are going to talk about, oh, actually, let's go ahead and talk about it right now. Mabilis lang. Let's go ahead and talk about Fiverr or Canva. What are the things that you can do here? Para you have no reason na you'll say that I'm not very confident in doing that. Okay, so here is Canva. What you can do is you can actually search here. So ito yung pinaka-dashboard natin. You can search your content here. So you can choose the templates that you like. Everything is templated here. Here also at the top left, you can see here. So you can have posters, you can have flyers, brochure, newsletter cards, Instagram stories, and all that. Lesson plan. So if you are someone who will be doing, let's say for example, Instagram posts for your client, so there are so many niche in the in any industry. For example, you will be hiring you will be someone who will be looking for a client that is dentist. So here's what I do. For example, if you have clients na dentists or doctors and there are social media posts about them, what are the common things that uh, pinopost ng mga dentist? So for example, let's go to Google. um, Instagram post dentist. Ayan, Instagram post ideas for dentist. Click on image. Ayan, you can see this one. Yung mga image na ganyan. So every business in this world, I mean everything, walang exception, lahat kailangan ng social media. That could be a gym instructor, that could be a chiropractor, dentist, doctor, lawyer, real estate, MLM, you name it, author, um, yoga, nutrition, love coach, relationship coach, lahat yan. Meron yan. At syempre, kailangan nila ng image, remember, to promote their businesses. Because like we said, it's so much more to promote a business with an image on it kumpara sa text-based lang. So definitely, every business needs something. And we're going to show you on a separate video how you can really market yourself as a design or a designer, or yeah, pretty much a designer, and you can showcase them your work. Now, how do you get ideas for these people? So aside from ebook, you can definitely do social media postings, right? Like for example, you can reach out to clients and say, hi client, I think I'm sure that I can help you with your social media posting every day. Like baristas, 'di ba, yung mga restaurant, ganyan. So there, especially restaurant, 'di ba, yung mga food porn, ganyan. You can definitely provide them with a lot of images as well. So now you don't need to really get there, for example, steak. I just remembered my good friend who's having a steak business. Hindi mo, for example, I am the social media manager, or yeah, social media strategist dun sa campaign na yon. I don't need to go there and take photo shoot of the steak. What you can do is go here in Unsplash, or dun sa ano pa yung mga ginawa natin kanina. Oh, Pixelbay, Pexels, type in steak. Ayan, voila, 'di ba? So you can download this. Once again, these are royalty free, so 'di ba, very appetizing. So you just put some logo here ni client, and then yung call to action like buy now, or avail 50% or 40% promo, or whatever promo that they have right now. Look at that. These are free for you to use. Okay? Nagutom tuloy ako. Ayan. O kaya, coffee. Dito ako kumukuha ng mga designs for my brand. Yan. O kaya for example, doctor. Yan. See that? You just go ahead and play along with this. Minsan nauubos yung oras ko kakatingin nito. This is so fun kasi talaga. Dentist. Yan. O kaya teeth. Hmm. Malinaw pa yung mga yan. Right? Okay. So you get the idea. So you download it, upload it in Fiverr, and do social media stories. So for example, this one, social media story, you can definitely put the dentist stuff here, or the doctor stuff here. Yan. And then this one, you can put this one, and then you can, even though this is a video, you can still customize this template. You can still make it as an image lang, basta download mo lang siya as JPEG or PNG. Okay. So 40 or 30 free consultation, ganyan. Free checkup, whatever. Okay? Free checkup or free consultation. Tapos, remember how you can ungroup them, 'di ba? Meron tong group na ganyan, and you want to remove, let's say for example, this world icon. You go ahead and click on ungroup. Delete mo lang. May maliit pa. Free check-up, free consultation, tapos angat mo lang 'to. Gusto mong palitan ng kulay. Hello. Kuha? Now, you can click on text, book now, or call now. 1-800 blah 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 blah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pwede mong lakihan. So you just drag the sides. As you drag and move it smaller and larger, napapansin mo yung font dito, lumiliit at lumalaki. So you can also manually do that by highlighting, tapos ganyan, whatever you want. Okay, there are two ways. Pwede rin dito, you can find elements here, dentist. If I can spell. Alright, and then photos. Usog mo lang siya. Good. Diba? Wow, okay, meron ka ng Instagram story ngayon for your client. You can also resize this. Let's say, for example, you don't want that as an Instagram story, but you want it as an Instagram post. Magkaiba kasi yung story sa post, 'di ba? O kaya let's say for example, Facebook post. Okay, and then copy and resize. Yan, napansin mo? Mula dun sa pagiging pahaba niya, naging parang square na siya, parang um, square size kasi yung ideal sa isang Facebook post. So what you can do is make it like that. Isa pang ginagawa ko, halimbawa, 'di ba, parang white and white naman sila. If you want it to stand out, what I do usually is look for frame. Type mo yung frame. Um, you can do this. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung ginagawa ng frame is like this. You can insert an image dito sa frame. So, for example lang anong nangyari? Yan. So, 'di ba? Yung bilog na frame natin kanina, pumasok yung image dun sa kanya sa loob. Pangit na example, pero I'm just showing you. Okay, or let's say for example, um, teeth. Okay, and then I'm gonna put it here. Usually sa image. Ka. Pili tayo maganda. Yan, ito. Yan. O, diba? Perfect. So, pwede mong liitan, you can make it smaller, you can make it larger. Tapos, yung frame na sinasabi ko kanina, excuse me. So, let's say, for example, white or black. Black background. Yan. So, you can put it here. Tapos, yung position, it could be forward, backward. See that? Ayan. So, you choose. Pwede mo ring i-drag and drop. Tapos, pwede mo ring gawin yung transparency. So, click here and then it will become like that. Para hindi white and white, 'di ba kanina parang ganyan lang siya. Pero ngayon, kung gusto mong mas ma-highlight yung text na nakikita pa rin yung background ni doctor, you can do that. Right? Okay, o kaya hmm, white background. Ah, kasi square lang siya. Ayoko niyan. This one. Yan, mga ganyan. Okay? So you have the liberty to do everything. Your imagination is the limit, ika nga. Yan. So you can have templates here. Let's search for template ni dentist. Ayan, no? Tignan nyo. So you have a client. Tanggalin natin to. Okay, or add a page muna tayo. Yan. See? Hindi mo na kailangan magpakahirap. Meron siyang mga template dito. Ayan, oh. O kaya ito, kung gusto mo, palitan mo to ng mukha ni client. So, client, do you have a picture of you showing na naka-white robe ka? Ganyan. And then, you're gonna put the logo of your client. So, hingin mo yung logo ni client if they have anything. Kung wala, you can also create a logo for them at an extra charge, and then medical. You get the idea. So, you can definitely do this. Now, um, this is the edit image. You can remove a background. You can crop. You can crop this. Kasi parang sakto na yung image niya eh. You can flip, okay, kung gusto mong nandun siya sa kabilang gilid, right? You can animate if you need to. What else? So please go ahead and play around this. Meron pa akong isang naisip na i-share. Um, Go to elements and then pie chart. Wait lang, create tayong bago. Nausi ako. Create a Facebook post. Let's make it cleaner. Ayan, a clean slate. Tapos pie chart. I'd like to show you something really, really cool. So you can create um, pies like this, and you can also create elements like this. So go to element and then pie. Then look at this one. So for example, I'm going to choose this. You can put label. So halimbawa, you can play around the percentage. See, nagbabago yung image, nagbabago yung color niya depending doon sa percentage. Let's say for example 80-20. For example, you will be discussing the 80-20 rule, right? And then you can put percentage level. You can have the edges rounded or not, right? And then you can also create a progress dial, progress bar, radial progress, whatever that you like. Um, you can undo, okay? Ito yung undo niya. Click on pie chart again. Tapos lalabas, there are other options aside from that. You can do this. If your client wants to have like a presentation like, hey, can you provide me a design for um, parang annual report or something, you can do this. Yan. And notice that you can also change the name of the item. So for example, here, for example, NCR. Nakita nyo, nagbabago yung kanyang pangalan. Calabarzon. O ba? May Calabarzon. Ayan. Kuha. Ayan. For example, Region 3. Do you get it? You can edit this. You can even edit the colors. If you like this to be red, para mas nagsistand out yung rice niyan, for example, COVID, wag naman, no? Ganyan, o kaya increase ng sales, ganyan. O say, let's say, for example, this is quarter 1, Q1. Ito yung sales for quarter 2. Mhm. Ito naman yung sales ng quarter 3. I hope you get the idea. I'm sure you get the idea because you guys are really, really smart. Ayan. For sure, gets nyo naman yung aking sinasabi. Filipinos are very smart at mabilis maka-pick up. So, I highly doubt that you're not getting this. Ayan, okay? And then, you can also connect it to Google Sheets. How cool is that? So, after you're done with that, you can import that into Google Sheet and then you can say, hi client, I already have this for you and blah, blah, blah. Ayan. Okay, so please play around with this. These are very, very cool ideas. So you can have stack bar. Ang ganda, oh. Stack bar. Okay, you can have a row chart. You can have line chart. Whatever your client needs. You can have histograph, a donut chart. On quarter 1, this is the sales of the company, or quarter 2, ganyan. You get it? Okay, so yan, play around with all the templates that you have. You will live and breathe in this part of Canva. Yan. So those are simple lang. And these are the backgrounds that you can use naman. For example, you wanted to use patterns or gradients, yan. I usually do this too, yung mga patterns and gradients when I put that. And then you can also put some quotes, elements. Elements and then quotes. Yan. If you change nothing, nothing will change. Yan. Quotable quote natin. Okay, and then sa templates din, hanap ka ng mga quotes sa templates. Yan. If your client needs, halimbawa you have a coach for your client and they want like quotable quotes or something like that, or inspirational speech or lines for their daily campaign, go ahead and do this. Yan. Siyempre, napapalitan yung image. Yan. So, ayan, tanggalin mo lang yung image na yan. Let's say, for example, you want gym. Actually, yung Canva Pro na lang, marami ng mga image talaga to. You can get a lot. Uh, okay. Pero if you still want to use other tools, like I said a while ago, you can go on Unsplash. Ayan. Just play around it, okay? Tapos ito, pwede mong ibaba para kita yung face niya. O pwede mo rin namang liitan yung transparency. See? Para kita yung background. Alright? So, I hope you learned something. What about logos? You can upload your own logo. Ito naman yung mga ibang designs. Sa click on more, you can have more photos, styles, audio, ganyan. Yan. Discover content from YouTube. I don't usually touch this one, yung more option. Mostly yan ako. And then, if you would like to upload some image, yan. I'm very heavy with image talaga rito. Yan, you can upload them. Elements, you can have photos, you can have graphics. Yung graphics yung ganito lang. You can have videos, you can have audio. So, Canva is a really powerful tool, guys. I can't stress that enough. This will help you a lot in your freelancing journey, whether as an individual, whether as a normal freelancer, promoting your own brand, promoting your own business, promoting yourself as a freelancer out there to the world. You can create a lot of portfolios here. You can create a lot of things here for your brand. Let's say, for example, you have a product you're selling in Lazada, you're selling in Shopee, when you're selling in Amazon as well, or you have clients specifically that need a lot of social media graphics. I hope by now, by the end of this video, you understand how important it is to have social media presence and why freelancers who do designs are very crucial in every business, and every business need you as a freelancer. So never hesitate. If you are really in the, how do you call this, in the mentality of scarcity, like wala namang mag-hire sa akin, wala namang magbento kasi baguhan pa lang ako. If that is your truth, then that will really happen. 'Di ba? There is a quote, I forgot who said it, but whether you think you can or you cannot, you are correct. So, dun tayo sa you can, because I've shown you a lot of possibilities. And these freelancers, baka na-overwhelm ka na, baka naman hindi ko kayang gawin yung ginagawa nila. Remember that these people also started from scratch. They started from one feedback, two feedback, three feedback, one customer, two customers, and three customers. And if you think that you are not confident enough there, start with your own circle, in your own community. Like, say for example, you reach out to a dentist or a doctor friend or whoever, let's say, I am going to build you your social media logo or your social media campaign for 30 days. I am going to give you templates and images that you can post on your uh, Facebook page or on your website. My only request is you provide me a feedback. You give me a testimonial. You give me a feedback, and I'm gonna give it to you for free. You can offer your service like that, Mona, for free, and then maybe 5 people. And then when they like it, of course, you get better every day as the way you do it, the way you are more experienced, and the way you are more exposed to a lot of digital content, yeah, and a lot of designs. Syempre gumagaling ka, you're getting better. So what you can do is um, gather feedback, 5 initially probably, or 10 if you'd like to get as many as that. Or you can charge little, small, start small, like $5 lang muna, $10 lang muna before you charge way higher that you are confident. So start small, but you have to start. You have to start somewhere in order for you to build that career. Okay? So never hesitate to do new things in your life. Like we said in the first videos, if this is something that you are not used before, like you have no idea how to do designs before, you have no experience, but you wanted to offer this something new for your client, then definitely you can do this. Okay? The only person that's stopping you is yourself, your fear, a lot of fear in your life, a lot of fear in your heart. And just go ahead and take action. Even if you are fearful, at least you tried, okay? And definitely, sa dami ng clients all over the world, not only in the Philippines, but definitely the world, you can get someone, okay? We are not aiming for 100 clients agad. We are aiming for 1 or 2 clients. And probably you offer it for free pa nga, okay? Free service in exchange for testimonial. Free service in exchange for feedback. And then you go from there. Okay, so I hope I inspired you to do action. Go ahead and do the homework. Let me know, show the community what you've done, and especially if you already have landed your first client, I am rooting for you. You can just go ahead and do that. Everything you ever wanted is on the other side of fear. Always remember that. Okay, so that's it for our designs masterclass. I will see you on the other masterclasses that we are going to do for you. Bye for now.